tayo nang kilalanin ang official, new and loaded projected complete lineup ng Converge Fiber Xers para sa PBA 50th season. Point guards: JL De Los Santos, 5'11", 176 pounds, 25 years old, 3.6 points, 2.3 rebounds, 3.3 assists, 37% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. MJ Garcia, sophomore, 6 feet, 175 pounds, 26 years old, 6.6 points, 3.5 rebounds, 2.6 assists, 31% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Alex Stockton, star player, 6'2", 170 pounds, 27 years old, 15.3 points, 3.5 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 1.3 steals, 34% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa legit source na to, ay next na tinatarget nga daw na makuha ng Converge ay ang PBA rights ni Greg Slaughter, Ray Parks Jr. at Encho Serrano. Encho Serrano, Converge trade target, 6 feet, 176 pounds, 26 years old, 13.2 points, 4 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 31% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. Shooting guards: Ray Suerte, 6'3", 175 pounds, 31 years old, 3.7 points, 1.4 rebounds, 0.4 steals, 38% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Juan Gomez Deliano, new player via PBA second draft pick, 6 feet, 163 pounds, 25 years old, 3.2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 1.1 assist, 32% 3-point shooter, 55% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages. Shawnee Winston, star player, 6'4", 190 pounds, 27 years old, 16.1 points, 4.8 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 1.3 steals, 23% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Mikey Williams, Converge negotiates with Mikey to assign a contract with them, 6'2", 190 pounds, 33 years old, 7.5 points, 2.6 rebounds, 4.6 assists, 1.3 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his Dubai 34th Championship Tournament averages. Small forwards: Kevin Racal, team captain, 6'3", 175 pounds, 34 years old, 5 points, 1.7 rebounds, 1 assist, 41% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. King Caralipio, 6'2", 176 pounds, 27 years old, 4.5 points, 2.4 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 66% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Bobby Ray Parks Jr., Converge trade target, 6'4", 215 pounds, 32 years old, 13.6 points, 4.2 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 0.9 steals, 31% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Japan B-League season averages. Power forwards: Paolo Havillonar, sophomore, 6'6", 200 pounds, 26 years old, 0.7 points, 0.7 rebounds, 0.1 assists, 20% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Justin Baltazar, rising star, 6'9", 250 pounds, 28 years old, 13.8 points, 12 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 1.4 blocks, 44% 3-point shooter, 67% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Dave Ildefonso, pending trade, 6'4", 190 pounds, 25 years old, 18.2 points, 6.7 rebounds, 3.8 assists, 1.7 steals, 29% 3-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his 2025 MPBL 7 season averages. Centers: Ronan Santos, sophomore, 6'6", 213 pounds, 27 years old, 1 point, 0.9 rebounds, 0.1 assist, 50 field goal percentage, 5.9 minutes per game in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Justin Arana, star player, 6'7", 231 pounds, 26 years old, 16.5 points, 10.7 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 0.6 blocks, 49 field goal percentage, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Larry Muyang, new player via trade, 6'6", 220 pounds, 30 years old, 14.9 points, 11.3 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 1.1 blocks, 22% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his 2025 MPBL 7 season averages. Greg Slaughter, Converge trade target, 7 feet, 258 pounds, 37 years old, 15.7 points, 9.8 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1.1 blocks, 67 field goal percentage, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6 season averages. Ito ang official, new and loaded projected complete lineup ng Converge Fiverr Xers para sa PBA 50th season. Sa tingin nyo mga kababos, makukuha kaya ng Converge ang mga players na to para buwagin na ang paghahari ng SMC at MVP sa PBA? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.